Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the seventh question of exercise 11.4. I have to prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So first let's consider LHS side, which is sin A plus cosec A whole square and plus cos A plus secant A whole square. So we're going to expand this thing. So a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2a into b. And I'm going to open the second one also, a plus b whole square. So this will be cos square a plus secant square a and plus 2 into cos a into secant a. So we know that. So let's group the both of the terms. So let's group sin square A and cos square A because we know that sum of this both is equal to 1. Let's keep them aside. And we know that cosecant A is reciprocal of sin. Let's replace that with reciprocal of sin, which is cosecant A equal to 1 by sin A. And we also know that secant A is reciprocal of cos. So let's replace secant A with 1 by cos A. This will be 1 by cos A. And let's write both of the other terms here, which is cosecant square A plus secant square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. The sin get cancelled, cos and cos gets cancelled. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. So this would be 5. And we know that cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. We know that uh, cosecant, let's write it again. Sorry. So we know that cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Therefore, cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. And also we know that secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. And if I bring the tan square A to the RHS side, secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So I'm going to replace this cos square A and secant square A with the substitutions. So this will be, in place of cosecant square A, I'll write 1 plus cot square A, and in place of secant square A, I'm going to write 1 plus tan square A. So this 5 plus 1 would be 7, and 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That's it. This is the RHS side of the question. We took the LHS side and we converted it into the RHS side. That's it. So we initially took the LHS side. We opened the A plus B whole square on both of the terms, and after opening we replaced the cosecant A and secant A with the reciprocal so that they get cancelled. And after cancellation we know that sin square A plus cos square equal to 1, so we substituted that. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 5, and we substituted cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A and secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A, and that finally we got the RHS side of the question. That's it. We proved that RHS is equal to RHS, hence the question is done. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for more such solutions. Thank you.